5-minute product review. This is my video review for Monster Intercom. Here I am presenting 3 best Monster Intercom. The first one is Aiphone LEM-1DLS single door access sentry system starter kit with the one Monster Intercom. Single door intercom system include Monster Intercom, door intercom and AC transfer to enable audio communication with visitor prior to granting access. Door release button control and electric strike to remotely unlock the entrance for a visitor. Door intercom is weather resistant, adjustable chime and audio volume. The Aiphone LEM-1DLS single door access sentry system starter kit include one door intercom, one Monster Intercom and AC transfer to enable communication with the visitor at door prior to granting access. Use the door release button. The door release button works with an electric strike to remotely unlock the entrance for the visitor. The Monster Intercom emits an audible signal to indicate an incoming call from the door. Pressing the push to talk button allows the Monster Intercom operator to talk to the visitor, and releasing the button automatically transmits sound for the door intercom. The chime and audio volume is adjustable on the Monster Intercom. The housing is black plastic for the door intercom and white plastic for the Monster Intercom. The next one is Aiphone LEM-1DL single door access sentry system Monster Intercom. The Aiphone LEM-1DL single door access sentry system Monster Intercom work with an Aiphone LE or LS series door intercom to enable audio communication with visitor at door prior to the granting access. Use the door release button. The door release button work with an electric strike to remotely unlock the entrance for the visitor. The Monster Intercom emit an audible signal to indicate an incoming call from the door intercom. Pressing the push to talk button allow the Monster Intercom operator to talk the visitor, and releasing the button automatically transmits sound from the door intercom. The chime and audio volume is adjustable. The housing is white plastic and mount to desktop or wall using the include mounting hardware. Additional LEM-1DL Monster Intercom can be connected to the system using the Aiphone DAK2S adapter to extend coverage into the rooms. Each Monster requires its own AC transform or DC power supply. The third is Aiphone LEF5 open voice selective call Monster Intercom with the door release button. Accept up to 5 connecting door sub-masters or Monster Intercom. Monster Intercom with the privacy button and door release button work with any combination of up to 5 door sub-masters or Monster Intercom to enable audio communication with the visitor and other rooms within a building. Door release button control and electric strike to remotely unlock the entrance for a visitor. 5 button with the LED indicator allow the Monster Intercom operator to indirect call communicate with the desired door or sub-Monster Intercom. Privacy button prevent the other intercom user in the system from the overhearing or conversation with another intercom. Listening feature allow the Monster Intercom operator to receive audio transmission for a door or sub-Monster Intercom at any time. That's all for now. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.